then load, then transform. So right now the latest version of ODI is Enterprise Edition, which bring together the Oracle Data Integrator and Oracle Warehouse Builder as separate component of a single product with a single license. So now the tool ODI, how is better than other tools? Well, the ELT, it's a approach which follows by only this tool, the ODI. It's an innovative approach to extracting the data, loading and transforming the data through different systems. Typically in ETL applications, vendor have to rely on costly, heavy-weighted mid-tier server to perform the transformation, which is required when moving large volume of data around the enterprise system. And ODI delivers the unique next generation extract, load and transform technology that improves performance and reduce data integration cost even across heterogeneous system by pushing a processing required down to the typically large and powerful database server, which is already placed within the enterprise. So what ODI do? It has the high performance and active integration that enable real-time data warehousing and operational data hubs. And it has declarative design, which improves the developer productivity. That means it has everything pre-built there. You just need to drag and drop, map the different source and target and run the interface. That the task which you want to perform, it will done by ODI in a way, in an easy manner. It has some pluggable knowledge modules. There are some plugins in ODI which called knowledge module. We'll discuss in next slide about them. So it has some pluggable knowledge module which help us to integrate respective technology that are used nowadays in market very extensively. And ODI has combined three styles of data integration. One is data based, one is event based, and one is service based. And it has shortened the implementation time within its declarative design approach. So now let's first see what the conventional integration process we have from different vendors like IBM and Informatica. IBM provided tool, ETL tool, which is called data stage, and we have one market leader which is called Informatica. The conventional, both are the Informatica and data stage are conventional ETL tool. It has the conventional functionality as you can see on screen. You have one machine which we use as a source from where we extract the data and then load it into the middle tier hub where we apply the business rule, whatever constraint we want to apply, filters, whatever operation we do to our source data, we perform here in middleware tier system where we perform all the transformation. And then at the end, after performing all the transformation, we load this data to the target machine. This is the conventional ETL architecture that for other tools follows. Now let's see first what this ETL means if you talk about in this conventional manner. Okay, initially when we extract the data, we extract data from different sources. Like we have different RDBMS, DB2, Oracle. These are RDBMS operational system from where we extract the data. Right now I'm talking about the conventional ETL. So when we capture the data, that means it extract and obtain a snapshot of a chosen subset of the source data for loading into data warehouse. At the end, our target is a data warehouse or a target technology where we use from where we use the data for our business intelligence. So first step we need to follow is capturing data in ETL, where we capture data in snapshots. Okay, then we perform scrubbing. Scrubbing means we'll cleanse the data using some pattern recognized by all techniques to upgrade data quality for fixing errors. We have from the source database, we have data in tabular format with uh, lots of inconsistency and erroneous data. So before loading into data warehouse, we require to perform some scrubbing on that data so that we can utilize the data after loading into target place for our analysis purpose. So that's why we require to perform scrubbing. Then we perform the transformation. We perform transformation to convert the data from format of operational system to format of data warehouse, because the data in the operational system in the format to which we cannot use for analysis purpose. So we require to transform it according our business requirement. So we perform the transformation, and at the end we load the data to target place, which can be any enterprise data warehouse. So this is the conventional ETL. Now let's talk about the ODI. How the ODI is different from the other ETL tool and what architecture it follows. The ODI has the ELT architecture. That means it first extract the data from various sources. Mind me, the various sources means it has n number of supported target and data vendors. As a database or as an application software, we have lots of support for ODI. Like we have Hyperion, all the Hyperion technology like Hyperion Planning, Hyperion Asbase, Hyperion Financial Management. We have Sybase, we have Teradata for support as source and target. We have Attunity, lots of and the conventional application software like Microsoft Excel, we have Microsoft Access, we have IBM DB2, different from different vendors. So it supports different technologies. I'll tell you on tool what number of technology we have. Okay, so it follows the ELT architecture. ELT means first is extract the data from various sources, then it directly load. It directly load to the destination target. Destination target, it like if we have the Oracle as target, so it extract the data from source system without transforming, it directly load into the target place. Now it perform the transformation. Transforming the data according to set of business rules, it perform on your target server. So it doesn't require any middle tier hub or a hardware to perform this transformation, which takes lots of time rather than this ELT. Now the question is that how it perform the transformation in target place. So the answer is that nowadays when we talk about the enterprise data warehouse or a tool where we loading the data, supports the SQL native code, and every data warehouse has the capability to run SQL code. So the ODI uses the capability of this enterprise data warehouse or the target system for performing the transformation only there in that target place. So this is the advantage that ODI has over other ETL